You're like me and you want to lose weight so that you're not always going to be shaped like a walrus, or you're battling your own health conditions, my goal is to inspire you to get out and grow your own food. So with that being said, I'm Nate and welcome to my urban garden. What's up, growers? I'm Nate and welcome to my garden. Today's video is going to be our very first harvest of 2024. When I say there's more stuff out here than I expected, I mean there's more food out here than I expected. Everything out here right now was planted around mid to the end of March, and it is now the end of May. So not very long, about 2 months, and we got a lot of food out here. So if you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, it's a perfect time to do so. With that being said, let's get to the harvest and I'll see you in the garden. I guess the first place I want to start is going to be this first arch with these cucumbers. And there are some decent sized cucumbers here. If you notice, this one's actually getting pinched by the trellis. We've got that one, and I think that's probably the only one on this side. Yep, it's the only one on this side. So let's find out. Oh my gosh, he is really pinched in there, isn't he? Probably should have gave you freedom sooner. Hate to do it, but let's see if I can cut this. Am I gonna have to? All right. Sometimes you gotta improvise. I don't want to lose my cucumber today. Not my first one. This is my first harvest of the season after all. So, there we go. Now we can cut you. Boom. And there is our first cucumber of the season. She is beautiful. Now this side over here, it actually didn't grow as quick, so there's not really anything over here. But I'll go on over to my second arch and we'll get ourselves some more cucumbers. Now, I don't know if you can tell, but this archway right here, this is my favorite one. Now, the first arch here, there's only one decent one. But this one over here has quite a few that I'm gonna harvest today. So let's get to it. Something to know about cucumbers is you don't have to clip them. You can literally take the cucumber, and let me see if I can help y'all see this by moving some leaves. But you can take the cucumber itself and just twist it. You can literally just twist it. I'm just twisting and it will break. Boom. You don't have to clip them. You can just twist them. That's our one from this side. Now let's go over here. You want to cut as close to the stem as possible. Hello, you. You might be growing from the other side. Wow, I just found a massive one. Check this out. And it too has grown through. Look at that. There are so many. And I'm actually, as I'm cutting them, they're coming from the other side as well. That's what I'm noticing. So I might be saving myself some work. Now moving down to this side of the archway, these only have one. These have a few more. So I'll get to it. There's our one. There's actually two of them in one area. And they're both decent sizes. Second one's giving me trouble, so I'm gonna spin it. There we go. I take it back. There's a third. And it's bigger than the other two. I can tell y'all for certain, this other side is gonna be nice. See you there. Okay, so these are our last, oh well, I got the back side of this one in the middle, but these are our last arches of cucumbers. And there's a pretty big one right here. There's also a little baby. Two babies, actually. That's one. Oh, this one is gigantic. Guys, I just stepped on my cucumber. Be careful when you're harvesting your food. Look at that. That thing is sick. By far, probably the biggest one I've gotten today. I'm thinking there's one more on this one that I might get. Maybe two more. There it is. One. And there's one more here that I want as well. And this is why I wear long sleeves and gloves. There it is. Just a quick check. Okay. Now, this side. There's actually two big ones at the bottom. I'm gonna have to go around. Look at her. There she is. There it is. There are some smaller ones in here that I'm gonna leave and just let them grow, and we'll get them next time. Final side, and I think I see the biggest one yet today. Look at that. That's insane. I think this is the biggest one today. There are about 3 more in here. I'm gonna grab them and then I'll meet you all at the table so we can see how many cucumbers we got. And we're not done with today's harvest. We still got bell peppers and okra to harvest today. It was trapped. I found one more, and it's actually a really good size. I'm fat, I know. There we go. That's the last cucumber that I'm gonna harvest today. We got a lot. See you at the table. All right, guys. So these are all of our cucumber. How many do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Unless my math is off, that is 23 cucumbers. I planted these in end of March, early April. We're at the end of March. 23 cucumbers and counting, because there are plenty small ones. Give them a week, they'll be this size. I wonder what that would cost at a grocery store, and all it cost me was a little bit of hard work. That's it, and some water. and we had some rain, so water was primarily free. Let's move on to our, we'll move on to the okra because the bell peppers are gonna be something serious when y'all see that. We'll do the okra, then we'll get to bell peppers. All right, growers, I hate to cut this one short, but this video was actually going a little bit longer than I expected it to. But don't worry, my next video will start exactly where we left off. Matter of fact, if it's already done, I'll link it here. If it's not, I'll put some other videos for you to watch. So until next time, take care of yourself, take care of those around you, take care of your garden, and it'll take care of you. I'll catch you later. Peace.